Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 8.3 from the textbook of CBSE Board NCERT Mathematics of grade 6. So let's start. Exercise 8.3. Here this is the first question. In this question you are going to learn how to add decimal numbers. So for that you have to follow some rules. If you follow them, then you will not get the incorrect answers. So let's start. Here this is the first one. 0.007, 8.5, 30.08. Okay. Now here you have to remember that the decimal point should come one below the other. That way you have to arrange the numbers. See here. I have written here 0.007 and this decimal point is coming below this one and this one is also coming below that. Okay, like that way you have to arrange so that the ones place digits will come one below the other, tens place will come one below the other, and same way after decimal points also will come one below the other. Now you might have thinking that here 3 is there which is on tens place, but here there is no numbers on tens place. So for that we have to write the zeros for ourselves. Okay, so here I'll write 0 and here also I'll write 0 at the tens place, as well as I'll write here also zeros on the place of hundredth and thousandth. Okay, so 0 here will come and 0 will come. Okay, and here on the hundredth place we don't have any digit, so we will write 0 here also. Now let's add. 7 plus 0 plus 0 will give you 7. 0 plus 0 plus 8 will give you 8. 0 plus 5 plus 0 give you 5. 0 plus 8 plus 0 will give you 8. With this decimal point we have to write. Okay. Next, 0 plus 0 plus 3 will give you 3. So the answer for this question is 38.587. Okay. Now in next questions I'm not going to add those zeros. Okay, just I'm going to write as question is given. Now here 15 is there plus 0.632. Okay, now this 0 will come on ones place. Okay, and then point and then decimal numbers. Here we didn't have any decimal numbers, so I wrote this 15 on whole number part. Okay, next here we have 13.8. Like this way we have to write. Understood? Now we have to start from this side. Okay, so here in the first number we don't have anything on hundredths place, means there is a 0. Okay, 0 plus 2 plus here again 0, so it will give you 2 as the answer. Next we have again 0 plus 3 plus 0 will give you 3. Now we don't have anything on 10th place, so we will consider here 0. Then comes 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 will give you 14. So 4 is here and 1 will go to carry forward. Next we have to put decimal point, and 5 plus 3 plus 1 will give you 9. Next 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So the answer for this is 29.432. Okay. Next we have 27.076, next 0.55, next 0.004. Okay. Now here in both these two numbers we have digits on hundredth place, but here we don't have anything, so we will consider that 0. Okay. So 6 plus 0 plus 4 will give you 10. 1 will go to carry forward. Next 7 plus 5 plus 1 will give you 13. Again carry. Then 1 plus 5 will give you 6. Now decimal point and this 7 will come down because 7 plus 0 will give you 7. Next 2. Okay. So the answer is 27.630. Now let's move to the next one, that is D1. 25.65, 9.005, 3.7. Okay. Now here again 5 will come down as it is. 5 plus 0 will give you 5 again. 6 plus 7 will give you 13. Next 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 will give you 18. So 1 will go to carry forward. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 38.355. Okay. Next we have 0.75, 10.425 plus 2. Okay, so here again 5 will come as it is. Now 5 plus 2 will give you 7. 7 plus 4 will give you 11. Now 1 plus 2 will give you 3. We should not forget to place decimal point. Okay, now 1 will come down as it is. So the answer is 13.175. Okay, next we have 280.69, 25.2 and 38. Okay, now 9 will come as it is. Now 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Decimal point will come down. Next 8 plus 5 will give you 13. Carry forward 1. So 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 will give you 14. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 343.89. Okay. Next we have the question that we will solve. Rashid spent 35.75 rupees for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Okay, so first we will write the given thing. So given here is Rashid spent for maths book is rupees 35.75 and for science book he spent rupees 32.60. Okay, so let's add them. So here 5 plus 0 will give you 5, 7 plus 6 will give you 13 and decimal point will come down, and 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer total amount he spent is rupees 68.35. Sorry, 68.35. Okay. Next question is Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by her parents. Okay. So first we will write the given things. Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. So the total amount we have to add rupees 10.50 plus 15.80 will give you 0 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So 1 is on carry forward. Now decimal point will come down. 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. So total amount given to Radhika by her parents is rupees 26.30. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Okay, so let's write first given thing. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt. Okay, now first we will convert this 3 meter 20 centimeter in decimal point. How to convert I have explained in my previous video. Just go through it. Here I have given the card. You can click on that. You can move directly to the video. Okay. So as we all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So after decimal point we have 2 digits. So it will become 3.20 meter. Why 2 digits? Because we have 2 zeros in 100. Okay. So next comes cloth for her trouser is 2 meter 5 centimeter, which can be written as 2.05 meter. Okay. Now let's add them. 3.20 plus 2.05. So 0 plus 5 will give you 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So altogether, total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 meter, or we can say 5 meter to 25 centimeter. Okay. Next we will move to the next question, that is Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Okay. So first we will write the given things. Naresh walked in the morning 2 kilometer 35 meter. That can be written as first you should know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So it can be written as 2.035 kilometer. Why 035? Why not 35? those all questions you for all those questions you will get the answer in my previous video. Okay, next, he walked in the evening 1 kilometer 7 meter, so that we can convert it as 1.007 kilometer. Okay, so now let's add 2.035 plus 1.007, which is equal to, see here, 5 plus 7 gives you 12, so 1 will go to carry forward. 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now point will come as it is, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so total distance he walked is 3.042 kilometer, which is equal to 3 kilometer 42 meter. Okay, next question we have, Sunita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer 7 meter by car, and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. Okay, how far is her school from her distance? Now first we will write the given things. Given is Sunita traveled by bus is 15 kilometer 268 meter. Let's convert it. 15.268 kilometer. Okay, and she traveled by car is 7 kilometers 7 meter, can be written as 7.007 kilometer, and by foot he went 500 meter. Okay, so this can be written as 0.500 kilometer. Okay, now let's add them. 15.268 kilometer, 7.007 kilometer, and 0.500 kilometer. So here 8 plus 7 will give you 15, 6 plus 1 will give you 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, point will come as it is, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So carry forward 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total distance between her school and her residence is 22.775 kilometer, which can be written as 22 kilometer 775 meter. Okay, now let's move to the next one, that is 7th one. Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar, and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchases. Okay, so first we will write the given things. So here they have given that Ravi purchased rice is equal to 5 kg 400 gram, and he purchased okay, first we will convert it as 5.400 kg. Okay, and he purchased sugar as 2 kg 20 gram, which can be converted as 2.020 kg, and flour is 10 kg 850 gram, can be written as 10.850 kilogram. Okay, now let's add them as they have asked us total. So 5.400 kg, 2.020 kg, 10.850 kg. Now the answer will be 0, 0, 0 will give you 0, 0, 2 plus 5 will give you 7, 4 plus 0 plus 8 will give you 12, so 1 is carry forward. Now 1 plus 5 plus 2 will give you 8, so 0.8. Next 1 will come as it is. So the answer is total weight of his purchases is 18.270 kg. It can be written as 18 kg 270 gram. Okay. Here the exercise 8.3 ends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And if you like my teaching, then please subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.